Hi, this is Todd Smith, and I'm here talking today to Colin Egbert at his event, the REI Connect, and he's had some great speakers. And Colin, you want to just tell us about a little bit about how you got started and what you're doing here today?
Yeah, absolutely. So, when I got started, what I needed was figuring out, first of all, what should I do, and then second of all, how to do it. And for me to be able to have Todd Smith here, because I came up to him for a while saying, Todd Smith, man, how do I do this? What do I do? I'm trying to, do this wholesale thing. What the heck? I got this crazy seller, I got this buyer, and having those challenges. And you got to have people that have been on the road before. And a guy like Todd Smith, he's been on the road before. He went down and I learned from him. So I said, we need to bring the same thing here. And so at REI Connect, that's what we're trying to do, is bring a lot of folks, a lot of good people, the Todd Smiths of the world out here. So I really appreciate you being here.
Appreciate you having me here.